Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today our topic is food and health. In this chapter we will discuss about food and its components, balanced diet and diseases. Things like bread, carrot, grapes, fruit juice and cucumber are obtained from plants. And things like milk, fish, eggs, curd and cheese are obtained from animals. Now we see food and its components. Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fats are the five main components of food. Our body needs all these components in adequate amount to remain healthy. Now we understand this one by one. The first component is carbohydrates. Now we see its function and sources. Carbohydrates provide energy to the body, and its sources are bread, rice, wheat, such as bananas, mangoes, sugar, potato, and corn. Next component is fats. Fats helps to keep body warm. Meat, vegetable oil, milk, butter, cheese, ghee, cream, dry fruits are the sources of fats. Next component is proteins. Its function is it is essential for growth and muscle building. Chicken, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, pulses, soya bean are the sources of proteins. Next component name is vitamins and minerals. Its function is needed in small amount for normal functioning of the body. Fruits and vegetables, fish, eggs, milk are the sources of vitamins and minerals. Now we see water and roughage. Our body also need adequate amount of water and roughage. We should drink plenty of water and include foodstuff containing roughage in our diet. Roughage is the undigested part of the plant food. It helps in moving the food through our digestive system and in proper removal of waste from our body. Now we see what is balanced diet. A diet that contains adequate amount of different components of food along with roughage and water required for the healthy functioning of our body is called a balanced diet. Health is a state of complete physical and mental well being. This means both the mind and the body must be completely fit for a person to be considered healthy. Proper food, diet, rest, exercise, and correct posture are essential for staying healthy. Now we see what is diseases. What are diseases? A disease is a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition. Diseases can occur due to improper diet, lack of rest or exercise, or lack of cleanliness. Dear student, I hope you have understood this chapter very well. So take care and goodbye.